God, snow! This is gonna take much snow.
Oh, so early in Nemo and it's dumping on us.
So much snow to shovel. This is gonna take all night! I know, right? Oh.
Oh, good God, we'll be here for a month. You know what I wish you guys?
I wish
Uncle Greg were here.
Yay.
Come on, Uncle Greg.
Help us, Uncle Greg!
Come and get us. Come save us.